all trashed off this Listerine, and I was sitting in the park getting wasted, kinda passed out, and this ranger comes by, and he's all like, dude, you can't be sleeping on the bench. And I was like, fuck you. I can drink as much as I want. This is a free country. And he was like, I'm gonna have to take you in. I was like, hold on. Let me finish this Listerine real quick. So I polished the bottle off before he could take me in.
I'm crying.
And the cop frisked me, and I had a flask full of extra Listerine, and it was really good. It was mixed with... Okay, I'm sorry, buddy. He's like, no.